Hi teacher, my name is Laura Correa and today I talk about the quality of experience and the net neutrality. Okay, then I talk about the internet access. The internet access in each countries is independently according to the companies that provide said service, and in this way it is neutrality of the network that given of those companies in which their main source of the communication is service mobile phones, and the people acquire this from the free application that facilitate their daily use and the consumer. Considering the response of the perception of the survey already mentioned, this relationship does not give by users who show greater scheme about the neutrality mobile offer than in those where the connection of these things. The principle of the net neutrality take the form of a prohibition of discrimination all of countries and except Panama, which has not a regulation in this regard. And then for talk about the different things for the internet access and some different of the countries. For the conclusion, it is a very important issue because our country it is included in all of topics that the all of people be aware what is happening, and we have for observe the mobile service and the others that are used there. The service provides to the people different things that are free and some application that we can have to continue at those levels. It is some interesting to know the comparison that between Latin America and some of the European countries. Thank you.